grand living and the dining area. So this is towards your kitchen area, and here's your beautiful kitchen area, coziest room of the house. And this is the hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Pride Towers, which is located in Pacifica Aurum Township, a project developed by Pacifica Companies, which is located in Paddur, Chennai. And today we are here to do the sample flight tour of this project. Now before starting the video, let me show you the actual land parcel and the surrounding of the project. So currently we are here near the marketing office, and the marketing office is exactly in front of me over here. And the land parcel is just behind me over here. It starts from here. This is the integrated township named Pacifica Aurum. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. Pacific Aurum is integrated township spread across 140 acres of land parcel and a perfect combination of plot, villa and apartments. So apartment consisting of phase 1 in the name of happiness is completely sold out. Now focusing upon the phase 2, that is Pride Towers, which is ready to move in for now, consisting of 3 towers, each tower of basement still plus 19 floors, having 2 and 3 BHK premium apartments, where again 3 BHK is completely sold out, and for y'all 2 BHK ready to move in is available. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities, like inside the township you will be getting 8 acres of clubhouse, 3 acres of sports ground, swimming pool, kids play area, garden area, multi-purpose court, jogging track, landscape garden and many more amenities in this project. Now let's do the location part, and this project is located on OMR Main Road in Paddur, Chennai. So let me show you the connectivity of the project. So basically this is the internal road of the township, and this road will connect you towards OMR Main Road. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Chettinad Hospital in just 5 minutes from the project. Nearest metro station is 8 minutes away. Hindustan University is 10 minutes away from the location of the project. This is your 2 BHK model flat of 1284 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at it. So this is the main entrance, and once you enter from here, here's your grand living and the dining area. So this is the part of the living area over here. And exactly beside the living area, they have added up the dining area, that is the dining table. So you can easily fit in your 6 to 8 seater of dining table over here, and which has an easy connected kitchen area as well. But before that, let me show you the balcony. And it has a balcony connected to it with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony will be 3-side covered as well. Now let's move further towards your kitchen area, and here's your beautiful kitchen area with the platforms, the cabinets. You can check out how beautifully the interior work is done. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and it has a connecting utility area as well with anti-skid tiles and provision for your machines. Now let's move further towards your bedroom space. So basically before moving towards your bedroom, this side is your common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And beside it, here's your bedroom number 1. Let's enter towards your spacious bedroom, and this is the cozy bedroom. So you can have a look at it with a cozy bed over here. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and the wardrobe space over this side. Now let's move further towards your master bedroom, which is just beside this room as well. But before moving towards it, let me inform you about all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour for y'all, with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. So all these features under Housey.com. What are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering on Housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. So here's the main entrance for the coziest room of the house. And this is the beautiful and the spacious room of this house. So here's the bed space over here where you can add up your own bed, the wardrobe space this side. And here's a flooring, the uniqueness that it's full wooden flooring that they have provided you. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and basically this side is the TV unit space, and even you can use this space as your wardrobe area. Now about the washroom area, this is your attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are here in Padur location. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is provided in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.